On my co-op, I worked at Synlogic,
NASA JPL,
PricewaterhouseCoopers,
iRobot,
WSP,
Starry,
the Massachusetts General Hospital,
Suffolk Construction,
Bose,
SpaceX,
Bluebird Bio,
Hasbro,
Flex,
Virtudent,
Amazon Robotics,
I worked on Blackhawk helicopters,
Gene Therapy,
Hydropower,
Toys,
the Internet of Things,
Mars 2020 rover,
Wireless Internet Service,
Mobile Dentistry,
Epigenetics,
running headsets and sleep headsets,
manned spaceflight capsule.
Co-op is everything. It's definitely one of the reasons why I decided to come to Northeastern.
I think in class we learned a lot of theory and we learned, some very laboratory setting applications. But it's not really till I went on co-op that I could say, oh, I totally see how that theory really applies.
During classes, the exams are tough to study for, but seeing all of that come together and make something to better the world was really eye-opening to me.
Co-op matters because it really helps you understand what it is that you're going to essentially do as a career.
You can do something on co-op and absolutely love it and be like, that's what I want to do for the rest of my life. Or you can do something on co-op and be like, that really isn't for me. And then you have so many more co-ops to try other things out and you can actually figure it out before you enter a workplace.
Now I'm a fourth year and I came in as a freshman, and what I want to do now is very different than what I wanted to do then, and definitely those co-op experiences have helped.
The managers here cannot say enough about the Northeastern students and students coming into Bose. They bring such a breath of fresh air.
I am a research engineer in the Wellness Division at Bose in Applied Research and Concept Development. Engineering classes are tough, obviously, and sometimes that can be overwhelming, but realizing that there's sort of a light at the end of the tunnel and that being an engineer is awesome is sort of what has made me love co-op as much as I did.
Bose has been really well known for our noise reduction technology. We're always trying to do it in lower power and smaller form factors. We've made huge progress in the past 6 months, and the work frankly would not have gotten done without the help from Northeastern co-ops.
Once you go on a co-op and realize that what you're capable of is so much more than you think, you come back and apply yourself even harder.
In my 4 years here at Northeastern, I had the privilege of doing 2 different co-ops, which prepared me for my next step in life and gave me so many things to talk about in my interviews, and I'm happy to say that I was accepted to several medical schools and even got a full ride scholarship at one of my top choices.
Co-op is my guiding light right now. I put it first on my resume as my experience because you have the opportunity to be like, oh, I was an engineer.
As of right now, I have about 18 months work experience. Having that skill set behind me and having these 3 references is such a great way to set myself aside from everyone.
Because of my third co-op at SpaceX, I actually was able to convert that to a full-time offer for after I graduated in January.
I was able to close full-time contract 18 months before graduating, which is something that would have never happened without the co-ops.